Outback Landscape began as a small venture during my high school years. What started as a way to earn a living has developed into a passion I've been able to pass on to our talented team.
We love all of the property transformations, but what gets us really excited is all of the lives we've been able to touch.
For over 20 years, we've been helping homeowners create outdoor spaces they can truly be proud of. I think the thing that sets us apart is the fact that when we interact with the client or we look at a project, we're trying to solve a problem for them.
We understand that choosing the right landscaping service can be overwhelming. There are so many options out there, it's hard to know who to trust.
That's why it's our mission to make the process easy and stress-free. We know you're busy and have other things to do. We want you to focus on what matters most instead of getting bogged down in the details. You truly deserve to find a partner that genuinely cares about your property and the joy it brings you. Your home should be a reflection of your pride and joy. That's why we put our heart into every project, creating beautiful, worry-free spaces. From design to maintenance, we're here to support you and your family every step of the way, creating an outdoor space you'll love for years to come.
So if you want to transform your space or just have peace of mind that will be meticulously cared for, call us. Outback Landscape.